So for today's service, we will be starting with NGP or extra tubing. It is for you to reach or still reach your adequate nutrition while cannot eat through your mouth or per hour. So first off is I've checked your chart and assessed that you need NGP, and I verified that this is necessary of NGP. So first off here is I'll be checking for your nostrils, frequency, so please check. And I will do one nostril. Okay, thank you. After that, pour if you have any discomfort, any questions during the procedure, you can just raise your hand or raise your in the index finger, but don't tap me because I might accidentally hurt you if we don't have that here. Okay, we want all of the best for you. I already have my pills. Putting this towel on your chest or as your bib so we won't soil your clothing. Now, proceed with the measurement for your NGP. Here. Scientific process. I have here your all ready and measured. I now proceed with the procedure. Please lift your chin up. Okay. Tell me, raise your hand or index finger if the tubes already reach your throat. Okay.
Where are those students?
Okay, now can you lean forward since you've already reached your nasopharynx. And when I tell you to swallow as I advance the tube. Okay, swallow. Okay, swallow. Okay, come on, swallow. Okay, one last swallow. Okay, you've reached the right measurement, so now just bring it on to
Iparmok sa ang island. Your eyeglasses.
done with your NGT insertion, so now we'll be reading with more. So assuming that I've removed all of my gloves, I experienced all of my things that I use, and then I wore another gloves and already did hand washing again. So morning, sir, will be having your breakfast. So first off, I will ask you if you have any allergies or any anaphylactic reactions with food. Okay. And that is what we now checking for availability and that is so tap your tap. First, ensure that it's there has no rest for your last meeting, and then flush. Okay. Now we will start with the owl scoop. Sir, this would take 20 to 25 minutes feeding since it needs to be slow. Okay. After your feeding, just keep flushing again.
Now check your ID bag. So you will
Now, you counting it.
pati akong one.
And leave all my things and
You want to say, okay, I will check the ID bag.